Warning: fire hazard. Use a heavy metal vent. Do not use a plastic vent. Do not use a metal foil vent. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death or fire. If you see this alert appear on your dryer, there may be a problem with the lint screen or vent that could cause longer drying times. First, try cleaning the lint screen. Then, check that the vent hose running from the dryer to the wall isn't crushed, kinked, or clogged. Next, make sure you're using the shortest length of vent possible, that it has no more than 4 90-degree bends, and that it's made of heavy, rigid material. When you're sure your vent is clear, see the installation instructions for how to perform one last product check. Finally, select a heated cycle and restart the dryer. If you still see a code, call this number for help getting your dryer working right, or see the Use and Care Guide for more information.